Hey everyone, welcome back to the today's interesting thing, that is I'm going to discuss about the Tata Global Internship. Okay, so this is for the students. Just watch me till the end. This is the global opportunity. This is not only restricted to India but for everyone. Okay, so just watch it here, and before we proceed, I'd like to request you to just go and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And here you can find an important playlist which is called Skill Up, which will be useful, definitely useful for all the students, for your internship, for your job opportunities, free courses with certificate and badges and everything. Okay, so here you can see the Tata Global Internship. So you can see here like how you have to start with applicants from 85 plus nationalities, applicants from 300 plus universities and all the continents. Okay, so they are covering from all the continents around the world. And yes, you are here for the Tata internship. Okay, so you can see here like you have to see what are the requirements. Okay, Tata Global Internship, what are the basic requirements for that. Okay, just scroll down, you can see what is the what are the various things they are expecting here. Okay, and what is the experience they are expecting. And you can, if you have any further questions, you can also connect with them and ask for this. So this is the global internship, and click here to apply now. It will take you to the application process. You have to just log in and understand how these things works. So what is the basic thing is what like you can apply, and there is a I think the deadline is nearing. It's from in October. You have to complete this in this month. Okay, so every week every year Tata is recruiting for that. Okay, and this is the FAQ. You can find what is more about the Tata internship. Okay, what is this is what like who can apply. So any student attending university, either at the undergraduate or the graduate level, the program is open to the students outside India across all disciplines, levels and countries. So outside India, not like it's not open for India. It's not the meaning like it's not for India, but everywhere, like it's open for all the country. Okay, and when should I apply? So you have this they have opened this on 16th September 2024, and it's open till 15th January 2025, and you can register after 15th January 2025. However, your application will be considered only based on the available projects. So what is the timeline for this internship? It's during 2 windows, the capstone projects that will be held in the conjunction with several university. Follow university timeline, so you have to go ahead with the university timeline, and it will run from January through April. Okay, so we request you to apply on your portal and email. So here you have an application portal, you have to apply that, and then you have to send an email and tell them about your preferred timelines. Okay, and they'll be considering based on your availability. And the next important thing is what is the duration of the internship. It will range from 6 to 12 months. You will be learning with the project. And do I need to submit any documents? The application process requires you to submit a resume. So of course it is required for everyone to be ready with the resume. So I recommend you to please just be prepared with all your resume, your transcripts, your mark sheets is important, and you have to just go ahead with all these any other additional documents. Like if you have completed your any free certification, you should be ready with that. You know, if it is a free certification from the Cisco or IBM or any other valid company, so you can find here in my playlist. I have already discussed about various free certifications by Cisco, IBM with the badges and certificate. I recommend you to do that. Okay, and so you can talk about why the program interest, and this question will be there for you. Okay, and why do I need any recommendation? So they'll be asking you some recommendation, that is what letter of recommendation. So as I told, I have already discussed about what are the relevant document which is required for you when you are just trying to apply for the internship. Okay, so you can just search for internship. So you can see various free internships for the students, you know, like, and then various internship from the Google and as well as as well as for the Microsoft, everything I have discussed. Okay, so how you should choose your internship opportunity, what are the various things which you should consider, and which internship you should not go for, everything I have discussed here. Where I have also discussed about the LOR, which is the letter of recommendation. You should also have your letter of recommendation, which is expected by the top tier companies. Okay, so what is that LOR? LOR is your letter of recommendation. I have also shared the template here for LOR. Okay, so I have also shared the template for that. This is what students recommendation letter. You can just go ahead and watch it. So where can I get information about the projects available? So you can see here what are the projects which are specifically available for the students, and you can just where I will stay during the internship. So accommodation will be provided by your project company at the company accommodations during the course of the internship. So you don't want to worry about the accommodations. And what if the current project does not interest me? So you can explain like what exactly the project you want, like data analytics or finance or consulting or brand communication and much more. Okay, so during the application process, you have to go ahead with the application form. You'll be having a interview and the business interview, and after the application process you'll be hearing the final decision, and any limited number of students and everything, they'll be talking about it. So this is a global internship program where you'll be doing some projects with them, like this is what a unique, immersive, challenging with a project, a sample project from the Tata. And you also have some micro internships at the Tata Group, which is like 4 to 6 hours. Okay, if you want to see that as well, you can see there is a micro internship, and the application process, that is what I have discussed here. Okay, so this is the complete information about this project. And even if you wanted to apply for the micro internship, you can go ahead and apply it here, which is completely from the 4 to 6 hours. But of course you'll not be gaining the real hands-on experience as you are getting it for the 6 to 8 months or 6 to 12 months, because as we all know, we have to go and engage there with the employee, where you will be connecting with them like you will be connecting directly with them, so that you will also get to understand how to do anything. And they're also providing you the staying, like accommodations as well. You're getting it, you are learning with the project. So be sure that like you are applying for this. Okay, so you can see here how to apply. So here you can see an apply now. So just click here, it will ask you to log in. You have to create an account for this. Okay, so if you click on this create account, it will ask you a few queries like what is the first name, your email ID, your password, and then these things. And once if you click create account, then it will be they'll be asking you about some basic details, like what is your education, what is your qualification, they'll be asking you to upload the resume and everything. So once you're done, you are good to go. Okay, so this is what, just go and apply here for the Tata Global Internship. This will be like you will be getting a lot of thing here. Okay, so just go ahead and apply. Okay, so the application possibilities and what are the other additional add-ons you'll be getting it, everything is discussed here. If you want to know more about your process, how you have to go ahead with, if you have any queries regarding your certification, your career, you can just connect with me here. I'll be happy to help you. The link is there in the description. Thank you, take care, bye bye. I'll meet you soon with the next exciting video. Have a great day and bye bye.